morning, guys. Another day here. It is it's Friday. Yeah, just got done editing the M52 stroker video. So I'm glad you guys. If you watched it, thank you. If you haven't, the link's up there. But recap: M52 stroker started off as an M52. B28 was actually the turbo engine out of that white E36, and then we threw a 3-liter M54 crank rods and pistons in it. Haven't touched it. It's going into that car, but things got a little messy in here again, so I'm gonna work on cleaning this up a little bit today, just kind of playing catch up. We're doing good. I'm moving a lot of stuff. Things are going good. Ooh, here, I'll show you. I picked up another motorcycle. This is a 1999 Ducati 750 Super Sport. I traded it for a set of Apex wheels. Plan is just to sell it. It runs and drives, it runs and rides, I guess is the word. But it doesn't have a title currently, but my buddy that I got it from, he said he's gonna try and get one for it. It was a stolen bike, and then recovered, and then sold at police auction. So it has like the bill of sale from the police auction, but that only works for the person that bought it at auction, and that wasn't me. So he said he's gonna try and track that down. It's his friend or something. So either way, I'm just trying to sell it. I think it's worth quite a bit in parts, so I might just part it out, but I got it up to 1,500 right now. And then I was thinking, there's been interest, but nobody's come. But I'm thinking move it up to 2,000 if I get a title, and then take 1,500 for it. Should be good. But yeah, the shop has gotten a lot messy since the last time that we cleaned, but we've gotten rid of quite a bit of stuff that was in here. So I think I can get it clean again. So I'm gonna work on that. I think Nick might make a stop by. Speak of the devil, there he comes sliding down the hill. He might hang out for a bit. Diego Art is gonna come by. We're gonna work on some website stuff this evening. Greg from Angry Ass might come and pick up some parts. So lots of people coming to see me today. Just thought I'd let you guys in on some stuff. I started getting the exhaust stuff together for the D34 drift car thing. So gonna be working on that soon. Still trying to figure out exactly how I'm gonna run the exhaust, but trying to do it cheap, but I should do it somewhat right. So I'll see you guys shortly. The time, I don't know. Yeah, I think that's better. Nick's gone, coming out for a bit. Might come back later. I didn't really get any cleaning done. I talked to people over there, and then yeah, that was about it. We're still recording. We're still recording. Yeah, I've been just getting parts together. So I just actually pulled the drive shaft out of this S52 E30. I'm gonna be doing something different in there, but somebody that I sold an S52 and ZF2 for an E30 needs a drive shaft now, so I decided to just tie my part with one. Thanks, Matt. I've been selling a lot of parts lately. You guys have been messaging me. Some of you guys have been messaging me parts that you need. I have a lot of stuff to sell. So if you guys need stuff, I probably have it. And I'm good at pulling parts, and I'm good at shipping parts. So if you guys need something, just message me on Facebook at Denver Beer and Oil, on Instagram at Denver Beer and Oil, or you can just email me at denverbeerandoil@gmail.com. But while I wait for them to come get that up, and then this is the S55. I sold that. So it's all freighted. Freight company called me yesterday, said they were showing up, but they didn't make it. So hopefully they come today. But it's nice just making stuff disappear. But I'm looking at the X5 from a couple videos ago. That was filmed a month ago at least, and I've actually been driving this in the snow because it does extremely well. I don't know what tires these are, like some Cooper Discoverers or something, but they got real good stuff and they kick ass in the snow, and I don't care with all the salt and everything with this. So I've just been driving this car. My wife is not stoked when this thing is parked in front of the house. Her main issue is that it's spray painted cheater on the side. So I'm cosmetically modifying this for now. This car is actually extremely well sorted and put together, so this is going to be hanging around for a while. There's definitely some more cool videos coming with it in terms of testing its capabilities, but I'm just going to drive it. So I'm going to see what I can get to scrub that off. We're going to chop off the Bozu pipe, get the antenna off the top, and then yeah, I lost the water pump, and I lost the water bottle, it turns out. So anything on this side to get off? Nah, this side's pretty good, it's just beat up. But yeah, we're just gonna make it, maybe knock that wiper off that's just dangling, maybe get that power steering pulley off. But since we've just been using it, maybe it would be better if it didn't stick out so much. So I'm gonna knock that out, see if just some paint thinner and a brush can just knock all that off real quick. All right, I worked on it some, and turns out that was undercoating, so the brake or the paint thinner really didn't work on it too much, so I got the sander out. So it's a little bit better. It's kind of hard to tell what it said, but I think I have an idea to finish it off, so I'll be right back. All right, I cleaned her up with some Prep All real quick, so she's looking good. And then I got some color match spray paint. So let's repaint her and get her all cleaned up. You'll never know the difference. Here we go. Oh yeah, working great. Just dialing her right in. Nice even strokes. Just do one panel at a time. Oh, spray it the other way a little bit. We don't want tiger stripes with the metallic paint, you know. I should point out that this is color matched paint for a silver Toyota, so not quite what we need, but I think it's gonna be good enough to get the job done for what we're looking for. So piece by piece, let me back you out a little bit so you guys can see a little more. There we go. The shadows are also killing this, but whatever, you live, you learn. I gotta figure out this filming shit. Getting there. Paint's running low, do a little shaking. And then you look back, you never even know the difference. Looks factory. Here, I got one more. Let's hit it with some clear and see if we can make it just a little bit better. We're back. All re-cleared, ready to go. Never even knew the difference. I'm gonna start a new business. If you guys need some paint work, hit me up. I got you. But no, in all serious, wife will be stoked on that. I'm gonna chop that exhaust off real quick and then get that antenna off the roof, and then should be doing a little bit better. All right, car is looking much better. I mean, this thing's respectable. You could pick up a chick in this. She wouldn't be like, oh, you're poor and I don't want to see you in front of my house. Looking good. So, bam, painted, no more antenna, no more Bozu exhaust, no more extra added power steering. The, wiper delete, that's just race car stuff. Easy fueling options. Still got some speed holes in it. Can't really do anything about that, they're okay. Also, you never need to see what's in your mirror, so we're good there. Ooh, that's clipped. Fixed. So, all good. And I just wanted to, address the clickbait that is the title. My wife's not pissed at me. She just didn't want this thing parked out in front of the house anymore, and I told her I was gonna keep driving it, and I told her I could just clean it. She was like, then why didn't you clean it? So, anyway, and I also want to be clear, I am not undoing our plans for this car. We're just we're gonna let her lay low a little bit until the next iteration of E53 testing. For all you people that like that video and enjoyed that kind of content in it, thank you. It's not something I really get down. I'm not like a car destroyer kind of guy. I just really dislike E53s. And then for all you people that it kind of hurts your feelings a little bit, sorry, but it is just a car. And the person who owned the car, who put all the money into the car, was like, this car isn't worth anything. So take it as you wish, but you are definitely entitled to your own opinion. So I got some errands to run though, so let's get on with that. We'll maybe go visit some people. So waiting for the freight guy still, like I mentioned. Ooh, it was cold water. But I got this E36 harness bar. It was in the Turbo E36, but that car is getting a full cage, either a weld-in one that I have or a bolt-in one that I have. So I don't need that anymore. So I sold it to my buddy, and he works somewhere cool. So I'm gonna go take it up to him and for his M3. I also need to run by FedEx because thanks to one of you guys, Zach or Zachary, I don't know which one you guys be called, but that HE53 clutch, he's got a throw bearing sitting on the shelf and wants it. So it's all packed up. I put that video up last night. Clutch is sold, paid for, and out of here. And that's what I like. I will say, one of my other friends, after watching the video, hit me up and showed me you can still buy these parts on ECS. So you can still get a throw bearing, you can still get the clutch assembly set up. So there is somebody still stocking it, even if BMW isn't supporting anymore. But I got some video stuff I need to handle real quick, so I'll probably work on that for a little bit, and then I'll pick you guys up when we're cruising on the road. I didn't really show anything in there. It felt a little awkward filming. There was just, Peter was just there today. He's who I sold that bar to. No Alex, and apparently they emptied one of their other storage places out. So the place was just super crammed with cars and real hard to walk around without messing stuff up. So maybe I'll make a stop back by at another time when more people are there. But if you guys are in the market for really nice, more bespoke BMWs, check them out. It's just Glenn Shelley Auto Brokers. I don't know exactly what their website is, but good people. But anyway, I'm gonna mail this this HE53 clutch and get back to the shop and see what we can get up to. All right, it's a couple days later. Just thought I'd finish off this video with some cleaning. I already got all of the wheels and tires that were on the floor and around all cleaned up. So still a mess, but wheels and tires make a difference. Oh, one more hiding there next to that engine I gotta grab. Then I'll deal with exhaust stuff. Probably not gonna show you guys everything I'm doing. Just, I think I talked at the beginning of this video about I was kind of getting a little bummed out that it was getting all messy again, and we'll see what I can do to get the majority of this stuff off the floor. So, all right, about finished with the cleaning. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video. Got more to go today, but other stuff. So cleaned up a lot over here, got all those tires and stuff figured out, and then kind of got most of these engines pushed back. There's some of this stuff. Yeah, that's S54 oiling stuff. You guys don't really know about that yet, the video, but that's coming soon, so be stoked for it. And yeah, just kind of straighten a little bit. Got trans stuff's back in, a bunch of diffs and trans right there. We're just starting to get some of our space back. Cleaned for a couple hours today, but I'm thinking in the future maybe do like an hour a day, and should make a big push. Got a couple things posted locally because I can't post on eBay still, which is awesome. That metal chop saw I just sold. Well, somebody's coming for it. E39 M5 bumper. It's a rep one and it's cracked, so let's look it up. This is pretty cool. This just got dropped off. This is a DCT out of a F82 M4. It's not for me, but you will see what it's going in. It's gonna be pretty cool. Might be a little while. It's a build in progress. But stuff over there looking a little bit better. I got a tire pile. Don't really like that, but there's some stuff upstairs I think I'll show you just to close it out. So we're walking up here. I think it's been a while since you guys seen this, but there's a more railing. So if we do more podcast stuff, nobody will jump on a chair and slide back. So still a little bit more to go. This is gonna go all the way down here to there, through that, and then back this way to like right where that post holder is. So just a little more. Buddy Andrew's been helping with that, so be good. But on the eBay front, I sent them an email today asking to get reinstated. Everything that I sold has been shipped. Nobody has complained about anything I've sold, so hopefully they will let me have my money and let me sell more things. So I got another 50 things together today, so hopefully I can come in, start taking pictures, get everything listed, and I don't know, make some money with this junk, get it all out of here. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope these videos are entertaining enough for you. This is what I'm doing today. I'm not going to be, building cars every day, but if you guys want to see my life and how things are going, I'm doing good. I'm finding ways to make money, and I'm cleaning and decluttering my life. If you guys can hear that, Will's out there doing some donuts in his Miata. So, yeah, things are going good. Appreciate you guys watching, especially if you made it this far in the video. Love all you guys. Bye.